Hello, good people. It is Philly's Funny Family. You got Mom, Nettie, and
LilDeano.
And we're just chilling, having us a little Chick-fil-A brunch in the car. So how y'all been? We ain't been out here these days. We've been in the house chilling because it's been cool. It's been in the low 20s here in PA. So we decided to come out today, have a little lunch, and Dino wanted to say hello, show you guys a little bit what he got. What you got?
Grilled chicken nuggets.
That'll be
And some fries and a burger.
no burger. You got a chicken sandwich because you got little nuggets. So yes, that's what he got. And of course I just got fries and chicken sandwich. So anyway, we were requested to have lunch on camera. So how them fries look?
It's good.
Yeah, I like Chick-fil-A's waffle fries. They really bang them. I feel like I'm teasing y'all, but I like to dip them in the barbecue sauce.
It's good, right?
I like the way they fry them nice and crispy, waffle fries. Because I won't eat them if they not done all the way. Like the butt of the fry, I don't really like that. So it's so funny that we get requests. Nice people. They eat on camera, and you know, people like to hear when I burp. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna eat and burp. Are you gonna try?
No.
Dino still doesn't like when mommy burps.
I threw up last time.
Yeah.
Remember I freaking threw up today?
He does have acid reflux, guys, so yeah, he throws up easily. I'm sorry, y'all. My stand broke, so that's why y'all haven't been seeing us much. Because it's kind of hard to drive, hold the camera, and be safe all at the same time, you know what I mean? So I said since we were going to stop, have a little lunch, and say hello, get a couple of burps in. Somebody hates my burps, but you know, and somebody else because they give me thumbs down. So I'm sorry. If y'all like them, you want me to continue, just comment and I'll try my best to do. You know.
Don't listen.
So
You can burp whatever you want.
true.
I like your burping. It's just that I threw up because I ate a lot of Cheetos last night and today.
Why?
Because I was really hungry.
You was very hungry, so you ate a lot of Cheetos. But didn't you have a good dinner last night, though? So why'd you eat a lot of Cheetos then?
I was thinking,
Camera can see you. Look, say hi.
well, what the heck?
You don't want nobody to see
She
you.
ain't watched the movie, so I'm probably just eat the chips.
Oh, because I fell asleep. So you know, because you'll see me, I'm just eating my fries here. I fell asleep, so I missed the movie.
You didn't like the
No.
movie? Why you watch it?
That's what I'm saying. So when you watch it, but so we missed it, right? Y'all, ask him what movie he wants to see.
The Wiz.
Ask him how many times has he seen that movie.
100 times.
So he was really mad at me because I fell asleep. But
And she's never watched the Wiz.
I'm about to. I'm gonna eat my
For what
sandwich
she was
later, y'all.
little.
I'm gonna eat my nuggets. You know, like them little nuggets from make sure you. Oh, let me show them. So anyway, guys.
How were my nuggets? Give me one of yours.
Alright, cool.
You.
So yeah, they are a big difference in size, okay? So he likes the grilled chicken. And it's like they just cut a piece of chicken up and make a grill. Those are his nuggets. These are my nuggets. So they're like little tiny little chunks of chicken. It says to dip. Can y'all see? Or not to dip. So I guess because they are so good, sometimes you don't have to dip. But sometimes they taste better dipped, right? So
I'm not even lying. You try yours yet?
what, my chicken? I ate one. I ain't eat yours yet.
You wanna eat your mine yet?
Let's try
Yeah,
it.
it's real good dipped.
Now, I did have a grilled chicken. I think it was a
It's
biscuit
really good. Taste it.
with egg whites. That was pretty good. Mmm.
I told you. Real good. Eat it.
But it reminded me of food that we eat at home.
It's not.
Because guys, we eat a lot of grilled chicken at home too. We try to keep it.
Well, it doesn't remind me of that.
We're about to go on a little health journey. So y'all won't be seeing us at these fast food restaurants too much. You know, here and there.
I'm going to be eating
But-
carrots, vegetables, corn.
More salad.
Mm-hmm.
We're yeah. We're gonna be going on a little journey, so we're gonna be dancing. Because whether y'all know it or not, I can dance. Huh?
Vegetable salads,
But
noodle,
I can get my juice on.
and chicken vegetable, stuff.
And Gino can dance and sing. But we're gonna be dancing.
And fries and vegetables. That means tomatoes and vegetables, right?
We're gonna be leaving a lot of the noodles and rices out
As
of
long
it.
as you do not put seasoning in your fries, right? I do not put salt.
Are you talking to me?
I'm talking to the camera.
Talking about me because my food was a little salty last week, so it's alright.
No, I wasn't.
So he trying to go. He trying to mush on me, but it's cool.
I'm not. I said do not put salt in it because you will not gonna hopefully taste like.
Oh, well, what?
And do not put seasoning in your vegetables.
Yeah, we're gonna just start eating it with
It's
just a
really
little bit of
peppery.
garlic.
It's so spicy. Do
We have
not
to
put
watch
that.
the way we season our vegetables. Dean loves vegetables.
With no seasoning.
Yeah.
Just a pinch of salt, not.
I may wonder, we are kind of big. But it's not because we're like big eaters. We're both
My sandwich now.
asthmatic. So little Dean's had over 9 surgeries, living on a life of having to get steroids. So anybody who knows anything about medical, they will understand. When you take steroids, sometimes it blows you up. So he's gonna be a little husky. Plus he's a little, I ain't talking about your surgery, boy. And we ain't at the table. We in the car. So anyway, guys, I'm getting full already. And I ain't even eat nugget. I had a 12-piece nugget. So, and a little bit of juice and some fries. So, something like that, I get full off of. Y'all know what I want? I really want. I've been wanting some ice cream.
Yeah.
So,
I don't like ice cream anymore.
Why?
I just don't like it anymore. It's too chunky.
You know what?
It's fattening.
There's a place called Stone Cold Stone. And I'll probably go there and get me an ice cream because when I get their ice cream, it lasts about 2 or 3 days for an ice cream bowl. But, you know, they make their own ice cream.
Now, ice cream from a bucket. Go ahead. I'll eat it. But ice swirlies, Burping, no.
I don't know what he's talking about, but
Chick-fil-A, no.
What?
Vanilla ice cream and
Chick-fil-A's ice cream is banging.
it tastes like mint.
Only if you have mint.
I don't like sweets though. I'll eat chocolate. But I don't like sweets.
Alright, y'all. I got 2 nuggets left. Should I finish them? I think so. 2.5.
Not even more.
So, try and see.
And I do not like carrots.
But you told him you was going to start trying to eat them. That's what you said.
Not sweet carrots.
So that means you have to
I
start
don't like sweet carrots.
trying to eat them. On camera, right?
Don't even think about getting me regular carrots now. They're too dry.
My little half of one. Good.
I love fried chicken, fat and stuff. That's what I like.
Well, that's why we're going to stop eating.
I said that's what I like.
I ain't talking about nobody, but it's cold. Look. He actually has to walk all the way from here all the way over here. And the wind is blowing him. So he gotta really like stir that trash. But I just want y'all to know because it's cold in PA. And they ain't got no sympathy because they should give him a thicker coat. If I was working here, I'd probably be sick having to walk across the parking lot like that. Not only that, how you know?
Because you're back.
Oh, there it goes, y'all. And that was a natural burp. Sorry. Ha! Dino's trying to drink so he can try to burp, y'all. I'm gonna try and see. I was full, so. Hey guys, we're back. We were briefly interrupted. I'm about to really knock.
They were called cheese curls.
Bread. That's why.
They were called cheese curls.
And we call it snotty nose time because it's that time of the year. No, you're all up in the camera, so what do you think? People's gonna say they're gonna be like, what happened to that little kid's nose? Why is he up in the camera like that? He ain't like that. Well.
Why you have tattoos on your arm?
Oh, well. Are you ever gonna get some?
God don't like that. No.
Yeah, God don't like it. God don't like it. He ain't never lied. He ain't never lied. That God don't like for you to tat up your body. He really don't. But I did it when I was young and dumb and wasn't thinking, you know. And now have a
just
kid.
like you are now.
You trying to say I'm young and dumb now? Y'all see how he treats me sometimes? But he thinks that he's going somewhere to get a toy somewhere. I'm not going nowhere. I'm going back home. Little boy likes to play. But y'all see how I always get him back in the end, right? What? I don't ever get you? Okay. When I go home, y'all, he gonna be crying.
No!
So.
April Fools.
Ain't no April Fools. I ain't say April Fools. You did. So. So much for LilDeano ruining his day by talking about his sleigh. Talking about his mother. Like he got issues. I'm using this bag for trash.
You want to horse open?
No, you better not. I will. Now I'm it all come out. He ain't even done his juicing. He always, if y'all always see him always trying to steal my stuff in every video. See, when you're a mom, you can't enjoy things. Listen, come on, start getting some of that trash out. Yo, he act like he was really at home or the restaurant. Like, look at that. Wait. Don't waste that bread because it's a whole piece for. Give me that. I'm gonna take it home, and he got chicken at home. That's why we really shouldn't be here because we had chicken for dinner. But anyway, Dean Martin. Give me it so I can wrap it back up, that bread, because you can use it later, or I will. Put that in there. So anyway, guys, I know we're kind of boring, and my phone battery been acting up lately. All the chargers wanted to act up and go dead on me lately. So that's where girl been. But we'll be back. You know, I got a lot of devices to tape on. I just love my phone when I'm out. So if I don't have a charger, I'm not in a good mood to tape. So on some real, that's just how I've been feeling. But we'll be back with y'all in a little bit, okay? Love you all for now. We will be back with y'all if we hit up the ice cream spot so I can show y'all what the Cold Stone is about if y'all don't have it in your town.